What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I will be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Metaplanet with the ticker symbol 3350 and MTPLF. I will first be going over what I see in the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. This video is for entertainment purposes only. Please trade at your own risk. So Metaplanet continues to be trading sideways in a very tight-looking range. There was this downward trend line in play, but the more sideways we go, it looks like we're starting to invalidate the trend line and just mostly focusing on maybe the shorter term trend lines, maybe something like this. So the volatility is just compressing between these two trend lines, as you can see here. And the candles are getting smaller and smaller as time goes on. So a breakout is coming. If we do breakout lower, where can we go? It would be a measure move down, one leg down right here, second leg down towards 1,000 point level, 1,000 yen level. And if we break out higher, we'll just expect price to make a new all-time high or a new 52-week high. So who knows which way it'll break out? It's hard to say. I would say regardless if we break down or up, down, most likely we'll still go up. That's just the power of the prevailing trend. Most likely it will still be able to reverse up, something like this. So I would say regardless, it's a good thing. You just can't guarantee it. Obviously, we can go in a downtrend and we may have topped. There's always that slim chance that we have. But it's still looking pretty bullish, even if we do see a drop down lower. It's just hard to say if it will because we're just going sideways in this very tight trading pattern going on right here. So all I have for 3350 on the daily chart. Let's take a look at MTPLF. And similar situation, you can see that this one is technically still below this downward sloping trend line and breaking the upper sloping trend line. So it's mostly respecting the downward bias. So we could see a breakdown lower. There's some slight support here at 1028. But this one looks more poised or ready for a breakdown lower. So we'll see if that also happens on 3350. So MTPLF looks like it's trying to break down lower, but it's not guaranteed because there's some support in the way. We could possibly do a fake breakout lower and then immediately reverse higher to trap shorts. So let's see how this plays out. But overall, it's not in a bad situation. Most likely, it'll just continue moving up higher in the long term. 3350 on the weekly chart. Look at the log scale. So a little bit overextended from the EMA as well on the weekly chart. It's just consolidating, letting the average catch up. And here's the log scale, just consolidating at the highs of the uptrend. And the trend looks still pretty good to me. We didn't get that overextended, and we're just letting price relax, take a break. But overall, trend still looks pretty good. Bitcoin bull market is basically still in play, and most likely this will continue to move up over the long term. This is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time.